Hi guys. You getting in the back? Come on. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's definitely mine. There's the decision. If you're paying attention, you'll know. If you're not, I'll explain. We're going this way. Bye-bye, Coca-Cola. So, as you noticed, at the last second, we just veered off onto Highway 3. It was closed the other day, just up here, I don't know, a little ways. Way shorter distance for you guys because I'll cut it. And for forest fire. So we're going to drive through that area. We're going to get up and camp at this spot we know, and it's literally what the heck is wrong with you?
I just realized what I said.
Yeah, right. We'll snip that out. Anyways, we're gonna try and get down onto this sandbar in the middle of the river, and it's a pretty cool place. We've camped there before, and hopefully we'll get in there again. So, but if you don't see any wildfire footage, that means there was nothing to see, and we'll see it when we get up closer to where we're going. We're gonna climb this hill. It is of a hill, and lots of vehicles, RVs and such, overheat, transmissions overheat, puke out, catch fire, burn on the side of the road. It's a common thing.
It's not going to happen to us.
No.
And we got new tires.
And we got new tires, so we can drive through. Okay, bye. I think this is going to be the better option to go down here. It used to be this way, but there.
New tires. Okay, he doesn't want to sink. It's pretty soft here. Put it in 4-wheel drive.
That's probably mosquitoes. That's standing water. So that's probably mosquitoes. But I gotta go over this way a little bit. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And it is soft.
There's fire smoke.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, just a sec. Stay. Stay. Are you guys going to be good? Come on in. Hey, stick around. Holly, get out of the water. Eat your dinner, buddy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Not a bad spot for free. God, I love BC. The dogs are like, are those for us?
Yeah.
I'm gonna break these up into little stove-sized pieces.
Stove side.
Yeah. See that? Just breaking it with my bare hands.
He-Man.
Oh, like you can't even imagine. I'm gonna need
Stuff.
ribs and some attack utensils.
Okay.
All right.
Holly, come out of the water.
Holly, come on, get out of the water. Oh. See, that's gonna work. And then I can baste with the leftovers here. It's gonna work, babe.
Perfect.
I've got some mosquito coils out. You can see here, I got one hanging on the camper jack. This is either going to be great or terrible. I'm not sure which. But the smoke sort of smells good. Look at that. It's my BioLite stove. I love this thing. It's pretty good. Not bad. But if you look, that is forest fire smoke. So like before, we're in the blue sky, but that fire smoke isn't far away from us. So right now we drove through fires to get to a blue sky spot, and then ahead of us is more fires. So we're kind of in the middle where we're safe, especially the fact that we're surrounded by gravel and water. But I don't know. I think maybe I'm gonna try flying my drone again. Maybe in the morning. It's getting a bit late. Hopefully it'll go better this time than last time. We're up here right now. It's about 68 degrees. That's gonna be nicer for sleeping. And I tell you, I don't know. I don't think it gets better than this. It's called slowing life down, enjoying simplicity. Well, I've learned this summer that as soon as you're willing to slow down, step to the side of the rat race, man, life can get good. Just appreciating the simple things. Holly, she just never runs out of energy. I just spilled my drink. Oh. I'm all kinds of.
Hey, boy, you having dinner too?
He's like, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Good?
Not bad. Potatoes. Yes, please. My ribs were incredible. Corley was so lovely to prepare my potatoes and help me with my ribs. We've got a great campsite. The smoke, by the looks of things, has blown further away from us instead of creeping in on us. We've got the moon just came up over the mountains over there.
Stars.
We got beautiful stars, and we can see them because there's no smoke. And we're being responsible. It is a propane campfire. So
On the dirt or the sand.
on the sand,
rocks.
right beside the water, just so you know. We didn't have necessarily a great experience getting our tires. Toyo, what are they? Open country, all-terrain tires. So they are better. They are. I won't say the brand. I don't want to say anything negative or bashing of anything. But we ran cheap China tires on it before. Now having a name brand, and there is a difference. You pay for it, but there is a difference. The truck is smoother. It just doesn't feel as bone jarring, or the ride is softer. It's like when you put a new pair of running shoes, nothing ever feels as good.
Yeah.
Right?
Or a brand new pair of socks.
Yeah, oh, new pair of socks. I love a new pair of socks. You know, we were up in the mountains camping. We realized the situation with the tire. We rolled into town, phoned him and said, Daryl, can you find a set of tires? And we need somewhere to park till we can get the tires put on, because we didn't have many more miles on that tire. And they just open arms, come on over, park. And we spent the evening with them, and had a great time. Went to a car show.
Yeah.
And so thank you guys. You are incredible friends. So great people. I'm going to try and fly my drone again. Hopefully that'll work out better than last time. I mean, I didn't crash, just so you know. But if if you have any motion sickness or anything, you would not be able to watch the video. You'd need Gravol, put your seatbelt on. It was horrific. Wow, I thought last night the wind was blowing the opposite direction, and I thought we were going to be okay. But overnight, as soon as the wind stops, it just allows the smoke to come in. I'm just going to give you a pan around here. It is, whew, it is ugly. I know there's places that are a lot worse, but I'm telling you, if you're here right now and you could smell it. I just got out of the shower, my hair's wet, and I went inside and Corley's like, "Oh, you stink like smoke." I'm like, "Well, what am I supposed to do, honey?" Did it!
You even landed it.
I had a successful flight. My glasses, my hair's wet and stuff. Had my glasses were fogging up.
Oh no!
Couldn't tell if it was the glasses fogging up or. Just take the battery out. I don't know how to turn it off yet. So I had a successful flight. Wow, that was awesome. At first it sat there, I wasted a whole bunch of battery up sitting there hovering while I was trying to figure out how to make it record. I just kept taking pictures,
Right.
like sky and a cloud and stuff. And then finally I got it to record and wow, it's bad. It's smoky. Well, you know now, so let's pack up. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah. I know, it's making me cough.
Yeah. So, but I just wanted to give them a look, and as you've seen, you didn't need Gravol this time. So, no motion sickness. I was like a stealth fighter, like just. Did you see when I came down and went? What? Something made a noise. Hang on, I gotta start turning stuff off. Did you see? I don't know how to turn this off. Did you see when I came down the river and when? No?
I don't think so.
Oh, I'm excited. That was a successful flight. We're like the fancy channels now.
Probably not.
No, not. But I mean, I don't know how. Like I watch Kevin Wall, and his cinematic views. I don't know how he gets his drone so high and stuff like that. He must have a way better drone.
Well, he probably doesn't have those stupid goggles.
I hope he doesn't have the stupid goggles. Kevin, if you watch this, let me know, what kind of drone do you have? Because it's way better than mine. And do you have the stupid goggles? Anyways, he won't see that. Yeah, that was exciting. I'm just like, I'm vibrating right now because it's a pretty cool experience. Like, I will say, with the goggles on, you're flying. Like,
Yeah.
it's
I don't-
wild. And when you come down, you sort of bank a corner and stuff. It's like, if you've got, like, I know I look like a complete idiot with the goggles on, but it is an experience. Like, if you ever get a chance to try like some VR stuff, I've never before, it's wild. Like when I bank and I'm going along the river, wow. So we haven't even figured out how to get the footage that I just got off of the stupid drone. So I got to do that, and then hopefully you'll experience what I seen with in the VR goggles. This does control it. It's not me being that stupid. It's got like a yaw sensor or something like that. So when I'm doing this, I'm actually controlling it. When I'm doing this, that's the unnecessary part. Okay? Okay.
What's a big rock here on my side?
That's an angle.